Hi, my name is Matthew. I don't give a damn.
Happy to be of service. Take care of Pops for us. I took Silas's wallet before they got here.
I've been punished. I've been punished for wearing my brother's pants.
Shouldn't smoke cigarettes, you shouldn't do drugs.
No, I wasn't. That's not what was happening. I wasn't stealing drugs.
Working on its core stability, Maya.
Yeah, see, it's not like a homosexual tight white shirt. Sort of the homophobic loose white shirt.
I just wanted to touch this dead man's...
Oh, shit. Don't you dare speak to me like that, you lousy drunk.
Puppies love stuff that moves.
Who the fuck do you think you are?
You've put me a little bit on edge now with this whole shirt thing.
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm getting the hell out of here before I take one of your stupid bow ties and strangle you with it.
Oh, shit. Look at that one. That one has one eye. When did that happen? That's from Game of Thrones. That's Jon Snow's dog.